కొన్ని కోట్ల సంవత్సరాల క్రితం ఈ భూమి అలాగే మిగతా గ్రహాలు పుట్టాయి. కానీ భూమి మిగతా గ్రహాలతో పోలిస్తే చాలా ప్రత్యేకమైనది. ఆ ప్రత్యేకతకు కారణం లైఫ్. భూమి పుట్టిన చాలా సంవత్సరాల తరువాత లైఫ్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఫస్ట్ క్రియేచర్ వాటర్లో పుట్టింది. అది కూడా సింగిల్ సెల్డ్ ఆర్గానిజం. అప్పటి నుంచి సెల్ఫ్ ఎవాల్వ్ అవ్వడం స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న బ్లూ వేల్ అయినా సరే కొన్ని మిలియన్స్ ఆఫ్ సెల్స్తో తయారైందే. ఈ ప్రాసెస్లో మనిషి కూడా ఒక పార్ట్. మనం కూడా కొన్ని కోట్ల సెల్స్తో తయారై ఉంటాం. మన బాడీలో కొన్ని థౌజండ్స్ ఆఫ్ సెల్స్ కలిసి టిష్యూస్ అయ్యాయి. అలాంటి టిష్యూస్ కలిసి ఆర్గాన్స్ అయ్యాయి. ఆర్గాన్ సిస్టమ్స్ని ఫామ్ చేశాయి. మన బాడీలో అత్యంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆర్గాన్ హార్ట్. అలాంటి ఆర్గాన్ గురించి ఈ వీడియోలో తెలుసుకుందాం. The heart is actually a muscle which is located to the left of the middle of the chest. The size of the heart is same as the size of one's fist. The heart is made of cardiac muscle. The heart and the circulatory system, also called as the cardiovascular system, makes up the network that delivers blood to the body's tissue. There are two sides of a heart. The left side receives blood from the lungs and pumps it to the rest of the body. The right does the opposite to it. The heart is made of 4 chambers. The left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium and right ventricle. So, let us know the parts of the heart. The blood vessels which carry oxygenated blood from heart to body parts are known as arteries. And the blood vessels which carry deoxygenated blood from body parts to the heart are known as veins. The middle of the heart is a thick wall of muscle called as septum. The atria filled with blood will send it to the ventricles. The ventricles then squeeze and pumps blood out of the heart. Arteries carry oxygenated blood from heart to body parts, and veins carry deoxygenated blood from body parts to the heart. The veins which carry deoxygenated blood from body parts to heart is known as vena cava. The vena cava which is on the top is known as superior vena cava, and which is below is known as inferior vena cava. The pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs to oxygenate it. Then the lungs oxygenates the blood and again sends it to heart by pulmonary vein, which is shown in the yellow color. The valve present between the right atrium and right ventricle is known as tricuspid valve. The valve present between the left atrium and left ventricle is known as mitral valve or bicuspid valve. According to their efficiency, different organisms perform different kinds of circulations. Two of them are single circulation and double circulation. Let us know about these two in detail. First of all, single circulation. In this, the blood travels within the heart only once, as shown in the figure. This can be observed in organisms like fishes. The blood transfers from gill capillaries to systemic capillaries, and with the help of veins, it travels to heart where oxygenation occurs, and again it goes to gill capillaries. So, in this manner, the blood travels only once within the heart. The next type is double circulation. This can be seen in higher class organisms like humans and other organisms. In this, the blood travels within the heart 2 times. Once from the lungs to heart, and the second time the heart to the remaining body parts. You can see in the figure that the blood travels from the lungs to heart and heart to other parts of body, and the blood is collected from all parts of body to heart for oxygenation. In this way, the blood travels into the heart 2 times. This is known as double circulation. I hope you understood this well. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe our channel.